Hey, this is Jeff. I just got off the Blizzard Kabookie, 98 underfoot. This is a true one ski quiver. Definitely could take it in the soft stuff and the powder. Has no metal, really easy to start a turn. Holds well, but it's definitely a lot of fun. Frontside groomers. Really could take it anywhere. Definitely for somebody that was doing East Coast skiing, but maybe going to take a West Coast trip and wanted to ski that they could use in both places. I would highly recommend this. So this is the Blizzard Kabookie. Definitely something for you to try out.